Oh, I've got such a headache.
What's going on with you, Hayden?
Oh, I was laughing so hard that I got such a headache. I was just like, someone told me a joke and I just couldn't stop laughing. Now I've got such a headache.
Oh my God.
Well, I think I should go take an aspirin. Oh! Oh! Now my head really hurts.
You okay, Hayden?
Now my head hurts on both sides. The front and the back. And now my butt hurts because I fell on my butt.
Well, stop falling on your butt, Hayden. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go home. See you later.
Hayden, there's no... Hayden, we're in Connecticut.
Oh, I hurt my knee.
Hayden, we're in Connecticut. We're not in Londonderry. Hayden, are you okay? Hayden! Hayden! Wake up! Wake up, Hayden!
Pardon me, I gotta fix my hair.
Oh my God, Hayden!
Who are you?
It's me, Daniela!
Daniela, what happened to your hair? It's all puffy.
Oh my God!